and Jagga the drive go road. You see me the drive go junction. Buy one cake and come back. I leave the phone for charge on one part and then I come back and B ask me for the phone. And then I give B the phone, I end up use the bathroom and B give somebody phone for hold the light because she not do any here. And the person walk away and go in her room and come back and say she put on the phone on the bed and the baby fling it off her bed. About 3 to 4 times fling off her bed. Catty come back on hand the phone come get Alia. Every single part inside that, the battery, the circuit, everything mash up. It just a shake. We didn't even get to turn on the live, bro. We didn't even make it turn on the live. For sure, face on our phone, bro. This one have to go live on last night, bro. You see me? I believe anything what they tell me. I never did them. I believe anything what they tell me. I not fight nobody for buy back no phone chat. I'm not even business about that. I'm just glad to say, oh, and enjoy yourself. You see me? And enjoy yourself. I make sure they end up help them do the waiting and them things. So they end up help the food, gear out the food and give everybody food and them things. So I not try to do what I do before we go away. You see me? How do you go late because my driver they want to come home because I have to deal with film business and I couldn't make him go left me. So I end up cutting in 1 o'clock bells last night, you see. So I need to just make sure everybody get them food before I go away, bro. You see it? And then we just go in and hours because my driver didn't move. You see me? Because I needed it from the day before and he never planned to come stay and he said nah stay one more night so I just have to move. You see me? And like me have no license, me have my license now, me could have drive by myself because it end up that me drive come down because the driver they end up tired. And me have to take a car from him from where I'm mandable and drive come in. You see me? So just true me never have my license, make me have to move. You see me? If me have my license, the dog would even have to follow me. I mean I just get the car for rent and move by myself, you see me? That's how I think, bro. That's how I think, bro. Just know so me lose my phone. Lose my phone tonight, bro. No, me not did good. Me try my best. Just try my best. That's all. Me try my best. Me just do want everybody good. I make sure Annie good. Everybody good. You see me? And big up to Kev, bro. The youth. We put on the thing for Annie. A real youth, bro. You see me? And big up to your little friend, dog. The next little youth to cook with him, bro. I don't remember my dog name, but big up yourself, bro. You see me? Dog them cool, bro. Believe me, tell you cool. Real down to earth, bro. Down to earth, you fuck. I mean, the man them in the kitchen straight through, bro. Straight through. When everybody up on the road, I mean them in the kitchen. You see me? Straight through. And I don't know about the kitchen already. I love the cooking, so it's hard to sit down there and watch them you see me? Dig up yourself in Jada, top of the morning. You see me? LD no, yeah, LD no cool too. You see it? I mean my pass straight through. I mean LD no pass straight through. No joke. Straight through. Me not have no fun. Never have no fun. Not even a little bit of fun, me not, bro. Didn't have any fun. But me did alright. Until the phone mash up. I know an idea is a phone me there pre-chat. I don't know who can help me up on a PayPal chat. Me I try to look for 5 years to go buy one phone, bro. Please. Yeah. Phone gone down in drain, bro. Brand new, not even scratch on up on the look. And the phone, if you can't hear it, not hear it. And I hear that. The whole of the circuit inside I mash out. It can't be fixed. Cannot be fixed. I tell you, it cannot be fixed. the whole of the circuit board lift up. Whole of the circuit board lift up. No, they must say they can't fix, but me I tell them say they can't fix because everything measure constantly. Yeah, it's the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Not drop it, get fling.
Sure. Everything alright.
Get fling. Fling. The baby fling your fire bed.
Yo.
Me don't know that she said. Cause I want to listen to me. I don't want to say this fuck up, but no listen to me. Alright. Me the writer so. Ali the writer so. Ali I give the person the phone. Like me I tell us this happened in 2 minutes. Everything happened in literally 2 minutes. My phone left way around at the back of charge. Pick up the phone, carry the phone, come get Alia. Alia turn on the phone light. Then me end up have to use the bathroom, so me give Zoe the baby.
Give baby to your auntie.
Yeah, and then me go bathroom.
Auntie person to shine the light for me, make me cut the lace because it was getting late and things already there behind and everything I lead up and done. No, and do mommy here stuff. Mommy can't go do look much. Plus everything just step back. You understand? We did want a little help and things are kind of flaky. I ask the person to hold the light for me so me can cut it, so me can see what me I do. I don't want to cut my mother. Person shine the light, I cut it. And I realized she turned to her and she said, go for my bonnet for me, please. And the person go for the bonnet. When the person
can buy back one idea.
When the person go back for the bonnet, it's like she come back out and she not carry the phone. And I say she not carry the phone because I focus on the hair because I do something more focus on it. So she come out, put the bonnet on her head and she drop the video. So I'm saying, come now, mommy, come and finish up and so I will go inside. Mr. Mika walk up to me and say, Anna.
I'm more than that, but we put.
I said, Anna, do not leave your phone about the place. I'm saying, which part of my phone? Me just give grab, hold it for me, fish on the light. And me take up me I turn on it. And then I turn on and I hear something go clink, clang, clink, clang.
I hear
and I phone it go clink, clang, clink, clang. And I say, Jesus Christ. So I go so bombs now and say, yo, put that aside. Don't talk about the phone right now. I'm finish my ear and I'm doing shit because everything just. Oh, you know.
Chat. When I cap say 500 one is 11 Pro Max chat.
They're not twins.
11 Pro Max. If you go check out the price, yeah, go see.
No.
No, I'm pretty sure nobody to buy.
I will not say me sit down at my dinner table because a long time I wait to consume the food like I want to eat the food for a long time.
Yeah, they need about one phone now.
Look on the baby. Look on the Alright, so I take time outside, right? Because I don't like problem. I know I'm miserable and people might think say me cause or something, I'm not stay like that, but I'm rather stay quiet and stay one side. I mean, they me away eat the food and them serve the food, because food look nice, right? Me eat my lobster and the man video more like 4 times. And I say, alright then, I get the first clip, I get the second clip good. Because I boom and drop my breast and put on my baby more. Because bear in mind, it's hard to have the baby outside and it just hard and it's nice and something, so it might go fussy. So I'm going to feed the baby and him turn the phone palm me and I say, sir, do not video me, right? Don't video me. Video the birthday princess. Go up yourself, right? The man go turn to me and tell me, say, if me no want to get videoed, I move to the side. So I say, hey, don't ramp with me, you know. Same time he turn to me and say, calm down. And I say, me calm. Because I right to side eating food and I feed the baby. Because I know India, my birthday man go tell me, say, move to the side and I laugh. What's our people who I don't know, so I think I just family alone I got it there. Same time now, I get up and I go in my own, and I just try to calm myself down. Everybody is saying to calm myself down, I'm sit down to the for a minute. Then I go back out again.
No. Jaden, I'm bright in about here what Jaden. The reason why I not tell B to calm because I was Kevin phone, bro. A Kevin phone, he does not try to catch all like everybody in a live in there. So I tell him, say, yo, bro, I'm home and I feed our baby, so dog, they end up turning off the camera. So he say something to be when me not here. Is that me I say? And he said something to be when I hear, so I go to Kevin.
He turn up video with the camera and him a video at first.
Hold on. When the you turn with the camera, he said something to be seen. He said, hold on, babe. Hold on, just don't.
Bye-bye, guys.
Boy, she does not listen. When the person says something to be, we never know say nothing to be. So I turn to him and say, dog, me you there, yes, bro. Don't video me, bro. You see me? And the dog turn my phone. Boom. Yeah, me out there, dog. Out there. Oh, this is slow. I want, bro, let me have it now. So it's slow, dog. So watch it now. Hold on, DJ. When the station now boops and tell the youth say, bro, me youth, he must say, oh, redance. And he turn off the camera, you see me?
Yeah.
So same time, me see Kevin and me I say, yo, dog, or if you make a come in a place and you have this and money and video with, they must say, blood clot, no, dog, I'm my phone, you see me? But me I say, yo, my woman rate, dog. And the man I say, John, no, bro, sorry about that, dog. And then go to youth and I say, yo, dog, you can't do that. Me must say, the people, them thing, you know. And a fear thing, bro. I just beg if you do a thing. So everything they clarify after the just one done that. You see me I say, bro?
Yeah.
Because I saw me pretty thing, you know, bro, with the old quote with the in a man place, dog. All when you wrong, dog, all when you have a right, we just take it more while, dog, and easy. You see me I say, my friend?
You understand what I say, man, redance, man. I right thing you do, bro. I'll do it, dog,
Yeah,
wrong,
bro,
I right thing you do.
Yeah, dog. All when I bush with you know, my friend. And I place, move and go take up something, you know, dog, and defend yourself in a bush.
Yeah, remember, I say, I feel place to, you know, bro. You see it. So anything if you go on, he would have upper hand, you see it.
So that's
right,
why I
him wrong.
dog.
Him wrong though, but you love what you deal with it.
Yeah, bro, me have to deal with the right way, dog. I watch it.
I right where you deal with it, bro. I right where you deal with it, you see it. Nah, like, I right where you deal with it.
Only thing I fuck up part of everything, dog, I just say phone and mash up, bro. You see me? That alone, dog. That's why I
Which
come
phone
out.
mash up?
This, bro. The phone, the streaming phone mash up, dog. Yeah.
How mash it up?
Why?
A lot of leader though, a lot of carry back and
bro, Biggie, Anna, the phone, to shine the light, and I walk out to run a blood clot Zoe them room. I talk about everything happening at 2 minutes time in the day. You see me? I go run a Zoe them room, come back, the phone mash up dog, until they say baby fling the phone off 5 bed 2 times. That is. You see me?
John,
I think, yeah.
I look with it, I look at the fix.
We capture nice moments with my mother. I enjoy herself.
well, at least I want to know mash it up on another of them.
Right? Just did one know I said everything go good. That alone we are work hard for.
So you want to enjoy yourself and so?
Of course.
I mean, man.
Yeah, man. Good. All right, bro.
Let's look river and go.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, bro.
We have to go get the next link up. I'll link up Mama when she come up. Because we end up cut and even make them know, bro. Because my driver, they want to move. You see?
I did cut in a long time. I cut in a boy. I mean, I like what you say. No?
Well, I mean, I like up there, but that's true. I just want to help out Annie, bro. Because I share food and everything in the dog in the last half, you know.
And yeah, it maintain
dog.
the baby did it, so it kind of hard and we can't.
It never easy still, but, you know.
Yeah, that's free, bro.
But I appreciate
But I enjoy yourself, you know, everything good, you know. You see it?
Yeah, bro.
Man.
All right.
Big up yourself, Gina,
Big up, man.
If anything, when I jump on, come give me 2 strength to that much, dog. I mean, I try to make back 1 5 days to buy a phone idea. Tablet alone, man. I mean, next phone will come to the next 3 week time, bro.
All right, my father. No problem.
All right, bro. Bye. Yo, big up there then, man. Dog cool in a real life.
In a real life, it's a different.
Dog cool in a real life. He just quiet in a real life. He not gonna bag talk in a real life. Good morning, Minnie. What's up, guys? Please start this not chat. Me just need any help. Me could start with some Galaxy and say, who can use it? PayPal, use it, PayPal. Chat a tablet. Me having I can't have so much people one time over much up, you know.
My big friend. What's up?
Go on.
My there, you know, I just love your growth, bro. I swear.
You know.
I just love when you keep it calm and you not argue or nothing, brother.
The section make your food and your cost square.
Yeah, can't put it a bit
Because me like, alright, what me never understand is because of that me normally do bro the cooking with the crowd and family reunion and I mean normally I cook and I share and I do everything bro in my family bro. And my family big and normally 30, 40, 50 people come and me have to cook and I have to do all of them things. Who know me know. See me? So me not like sit down and watch two man a batter.
Yeah, that help, bro.
Help bro. Me not know bro about nobody else dog. Me not hype, me not rich dog, me not have nothing more than nobody else have it. You see me? So me couldn't sit down and watch two man alone a batter dog. I mean, the man them good for a morning. I mean, help the man them clean up the lobster. Help them clean up. And then make a thing they help them I cook the peas, light fire, and me just there with them straight through. You know? When I'm on the road, I mean, and they have them straight through around there, bro. Because them they end up a cook. Then they end up a cook 3 o'clock. I mean, I say, bro, if we end up start cook 3 o'clock, you know, we're not getting nobody not get no food till after 1, you know. You see me? I mean, end up they cook peas. And they put on the peas. I say, dad, put on the peas. And they put on the peas and the big scum and put on the soup. You see me? Soup done quick. Then boom, after that, then go and come back, peas done cook. I man them end up go for an hour. And I immediately have to run the pot. And you see me, come back, peas done cook. So I say, alright, boom. Focus that. What I do now, what I do with them and then give me a lobster and start cleaning up the lobster. You see me?
Let's not ask if
At the same time. If you look on my hand now, I have bore a fuck. What you say, mama?
somebody asks if I use NCB, Blessing, or girl named Blessing.
Tell her to come up in her box. No, I don't have no bank account, baby girl.
Oh, so just give her the PayPal.
PayPal. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Really?
That's that.
Alright. Okay, but thank you so much. Big up yourself, yeah, mama?
Yeah, man, do your thing. Alright, Anna.
Bye-bye, Mama.
Alright, mama, love.
Thank you for the cap.
Thank you. Thank you, guys, who are saying gift. Who the person who said they have NCV? You don't have NCV, mama. Jamaica, see you want help.
Every Jamaican have a bank account, and we all know that have
Everyone on a bank account.
only have card.
We just have a master card, chat. I get miserable. And him not used to them fireplace there. I mean, I have a license. If I have a license, now I give money and take the taxi come home. I tell her.
No, for that.
And it end up that me have to drive come down same way, bro.
We put the baby to sleep. I mean, come back out because the nice and the bass are coming inside. And put the leg on the back. Put them. That was the breeze. The breeze didn't nice. The breeze strong, you know, because the breeze are come from a fire water and up the cold. So they can't keep them outside too long.
Guys, I'm gonna sound Galaxy now.
Hello?
Yeah. Hello? Yes, sir. That's what I'm glad sometimes a friend. This is Jaden come from that box and talk.
You're tired, yeah, man. God.
Guys, beg on us on Galaxy chat my phone, mash up and we try buy a phone and who can send pan that there. Read the comments. When if you read say well, you use Western Union, yes. But a one device we have say if you have an inbox there when you come up, you have to get the talk to you.
Yeah, please.
That's inbox who can go Western Union.
Listen to my hat.
No, we can't use Western Union. No. She can use it, but me get banana from Western Union 3 years now. Me get banana from Western Union. If you are gonna send it, if you are gonna send it in a Western Union, you can send Alia name, Alia Spencer. Everybody know your name, bro? Someone want to send you Western. Me see it. Care Zero, thank you. Chat, beg on us on Galaxy now, please.
I'm going to chill a little bit, man.
Want to start.
You're not going to take it back, sir.
No, well, may I have faith like how I have faith like when we're not going to my place. Phone mash up, we need some help. Keisha, thank you for the follow. Chat, please, everybody where they in the live.